Say hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. It's very yummy. Always na Filipino food.
I like it actually warm.
You like it warm? Make it cold. Uy, ano naman yan, uy?
Like that. Look, show there. Mama.
Oh, where are you now? Oh, huh? Uy. Ha?
Daddy was there. Turned around here.
Come on, cook. Cook. Naabot naman ni sa ano, oy, sa toilet ni among bata, oy. Naabot sa toilet. No, he cannot have that, oy.
As in not in his...
Not in the mouth. He only play. He only wants to play. It's cold man siguro dyan, baby, oy.
No, I didn't.
The floor is cold ba?
It's cool.
Ang isa, oh. Say hi, guys.
Here.
Come on, cook. Come on. Naabot siya dyan, guys. Dyan siya sa galing sa kids room. Naabot siya dyan.
Thank you.
Magubot mo mga dagway ni. Huh? Ice cream? Okay.
Thank you. Yummy.
Dyan siya galing, guys. Sa kids room. Dyan namin nilagay kanina. Ngayon nandito na. Cook. I will transfer you, cook. Transfer natin to. Laaga naman yung bata. Ay, mo na mag-toilet, oy. Laaga na ikaw. Laaga naman ni uy. Laagan man ikaw.
Oh no, my ice cream fall down.
Abot man ka kuan oy. Banyo mo ato kag banyo.
Manginit daw siya.
Yeah. Do you eat breakfast now?
It's not long when he starts.
Yeah na.
It's going now.
I think I give it another month when he starts walking.
Yeah.
Ne? Good boy.
But it's going on the other.
He wants to go down the stairs. Should we open the door?
He wants to move out in this house.
Too many girls. I understand you.
Uh-oh. Say hi. Pass through.
Nagugutad si ng kuan guys, ng sibuyas at ahos.
I'm gonna cry.
And this pack. Pagluto ako ng macaroni. Where's my son? Pasta. Pasta na nabili ko sa Neto ata to namin nabili. Mag-macaroni salad ko guys. At the same time, magluto ako ng lunch. So guys, naluto na yung pasta natin. Pero tingnan nyo guys, para siyang ano. Ayan. Ang laki ng elbow macaroni to, diba? Tapos ang laki niya. Palpak, mali ata yung nabili ko. Lagi naman akong nagmamakaroni dito. Kayo guys, yung nasa Germany, paano nyo ginagawa yung macaroni nyo? Ako, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng pasta at cheese kasi ayaw ni Frank. So, ano lang ang nilalagay ko? Pineapple na ito. Either sa Yao or sa Aldi, kahit saan. And then, meron akong kondensada. Pero pag wala akong condense, creamer lang yung nilalagay ko at saka nalagyan ko siya ng sugar. And then, mayonnaise. Yun. Simple lang ang aking macaroni pero very creamy. Okay, biskot. Ligyas. So, hi! Guys, ready na ang ating macaroni. Ayan. Pansin will help us. Tulong siya, guys. Tulong. You put this up. Yeah. She wants to help. Okay. This is pineapple. Naman tayo dito. Natay sidekick. Pero gainom man ni juice. Did you say hi already? Yeah? Say hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Aking assistant, pinapatapon ko ng basura. Okay? Put that in the bin. Throw in the bin, please. It's empty, yeah. It's empty. It's empty. Oh. Throw in the bin, please. Put that. Leave that here first. That's yummy, na? Yeah, in the bin. Here, in the white bin. Yeah. Ouch. Yung mayonnaise. Hiwi man siguro mo. Oy, wait. Sauce? Is that a sauce? Lagay natin yan. Tapos meron tayong condensed milk. Sa Asian shop ko nabili. Ayan. This is very, very yummy. This will be very, very, very... Not yet, not yet. Tapos lagyan natin ng mayonnaise, guys. Siguro naman ata ang ano mo, ang ate sa sagol. Tayo kaabre. Uy, naunsa naman ako ang sistat. Gonna help mama. Get akuan ko. You wanna taste?
No.
No? Pagkatapos nito guys, magluto pa ako ng aming lunch. Inuna ko to para lumamig ba. Kuha ako ng ano. Look them, hindi ko ano camera. Look to them. Look to them. Say hi guys to them. Wait. Samok lang yun yung isa ba? Samok. You wanna taste? You wanna taste this? Tapos lagyan natin ng ano ganito guys. Yung ano nila dito, uy, ginoo ko. Yung creamer. You want to put this one? Huh? You want to put this one? Okay. Put that one?
Hello.
Okay. Yeah. That one. Then you throw in the bin after, okay? Okay. Now, throw in the bin. Wait, naman niya akong... That's finished already. Come on. Oh. Go in the bin. Come on. Maini, maganda to partner kay kugihan mo labay sa basura. Hindi tama yung elbow pasta ko guys, elbow macaroni na pasta. Pero I think it's still macaroni, inubos ko yung condensed. Yeah, there. Good. Alam niya talaga saan itatapon. And you're gonna shake. Shake. Use this one slowly. And we taste. Mama taste. Feed mama. Feed mama to get. No. Do it like this. Like that. Then feed mama. Feed mama. Yummy. How about you? Taste. Small only. No. Small only. Taste. This is yummy. No? Say bye guys na. Bye guys. See you later. See you later. It's yummy macaroni. Is that yummy?
Do it.
You do it? Wow! Pala! I told you to be careful. Wait. Okay. Is that yummy? Okay now. Okay. Sus, giunsa naman niya. Ano yung maghilig, magtabang-tabang. O, ayan. O, pala. O, say, taste. So, tell Papa ka that to taste. Tell Papa to taste. Let Papa come here.
Papa.
Papa is not listening. Sarap. Ito na guys, Sarap guys. Simple lang. Mix lang. Niluto ko lang yung pasta. Tapos yung tansya lang guys. Ang ingay ni Francine. Uy. Where are you daw? Here in the kitchen. He wants you
Yes,
to
man.
taste. He wants you to taste.
Yeah, but you didn't want me let you taste that earlier. Now you...
And? Oh, that's enough. Wait, you wanna taste too?
Very sweet. We're gonna get fat on that one. Yeah.
You like it? Ah, okay,
I
okay
think,
then.
I think I like it too.
You always like it.
What are you gonna have?
What? Hindi mo ito maubos eh. Oh, you can play now. You can play now.
Thank you for helping.
Helping to make a mess. Still here. That one is I cannot take it out anymore. Is that enough? Or it needs more cream?
No. Put too much of that mayonnaise.
No, I didn't. Ayaw niya ng may maraming mayonnaise. I think it's very yummy. Hindi una-una nagikain. Hindi pa siya malamig kaya needs to be in the fridge. So it's after eating, you can have that as a kuan, guys. So, oh, very creamy. Kasi may condensed tayo. Cream. Very simple lang, guys. Bati ug nawong yung macaroni elbow natin. Pero macaroni pa din siya. Hindi ko nil... It's very yummy. Always na Filipino food.
I like it actually warm.
You like it warm? Make it cold, uy. Ano naman yan, uy. Sarap. It's been a while na I didn't make macaroni. One of Frank's favorite kasi. Macaroni.
And guess who eats it all?
Yeah, Frank. Ako, ginagawa ko to siyang dessert. Guys, si Frank, ginagawa man yung kanin, uy. Make it as rice.
I used to take that to work.
Yeah. Yan. So, I put that in the fridge first. Tulong yun ba? Sige, put it there. Right there. Because we're gonna put that with cook. Sige. Tabang yun ba? Kahit yung datikul. Wait.
Yeah, did you know?
Ilagay niyang mix sa air fryer, guys. Wait there. Slowly. Ay, ginoo ko. Magtabang-tabang, di ba? Finish! Good job! Good job! That's it! Okay! See you later, guys!
Bye-bye.
Oh, hindi pa nahilo na, guys. Oh, hey, ano pa? Kubi, gid ba? Kitiw yung kamot, oh. Oh. You finish? Oh. Tabang lagi siya. Gusto niya tumulong, guys. Okay, finish. I give you candy. You want juice? I give you juice. Butterfly daw siya, guys. Come on, show. Show?
Fly like that. Look, show there. Mama.
Fly. Come on, fly. Fly. Fly.
You want to show Papa?
Ano lang yung naiisip nito nila, guys, ba? So, nagluto ako ng pasta para sa lunch namin yan, guys. And then, baby cabbages. And then, nag-air fry ako ng meat. Ito na siya. Nandiyan siya sa loob. Mapay pag-start. Air fry ko lang siya, guys, para walang talsik ng oil. Wow! Pretty girl naman yan. Oy, mama is making sarap. Yeah? What's that? Oh, you're a fairy? What are you then? You're a butterfly? Huh? What? Si Ayla yung nag-ano niyan, guys, oh. Nag-costume ng ganyan sa kanya. You're not anymore the butterfly. Ask Ella to remove that so you don't break that. Go! Go! Ask Ella to break. I break it. Ask Ella to help you. Come on, I help you, be. You're gonna break that. Okay. Okay. Go. Give it back. Give it back. Slowly. Naluto na, guys. Pasta. Nandiyan ang meat. Grabe akong plato. Salad. Si Ami? Kumakain na sila. Guten appetit. Your plate daw. Francis plate, pasta, cabbage, and meat. Yummy? You finish? Okay. That's it. Okay? Okay. Hindi man naging ang kon, oy. Yeah, that's meat. Blow. Yeah. Okay. Good. As Francis is here. Hello, Kokok. Tapos na itong kumain carrots at apple. Oh. Nagkamang-kamang yan kanina, guys. Nag-roll-roll ngayon. Gusto niyang umalis dyan. Gusto niyang magkamang-kamang.
What did you eat?